Hello everyone, I am Arpita Sharma, your educator, and today we are going to analyze the PIB news analysis that is for 4th November 2020. Now, on the days when the current affairs or the important topics are from the perspective of prelims or mains in PIB, only on those days we are going to cover the PIB, right? तो ऐसा नहीं होता कि डेली ही कुछ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट आ रहा है, कभी कभी कुछ बेकार के टॉपिक्स भी होते हैं जो इतने रेलेवेंट नहीं होते, वो इश्यूज हम इग्नोर कर देते हैं. So that is why on 3rd November 2020 there was no PIB analysis because the topics were not very appropriate for your exam, right? But today there are many topics related to international relations for GS paper 2 which is relevant for your exam. So we are going to cover today's important topics, okay? And also many of the topics most of the time they are covered in the Hindu newspaper also, right? They are interlinked. तो इसलिए PIB कभी कभी हम हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर के द्वारा भी पढ़ लेते हैं. Now before starting the class, the PDF of the lecture will be uploaded on my Telegram channel Simplifying UPSC with Ease. You can download it from there and the link is given below in the description box. Also, here's a small announcement for all of you. So Mr. Atish Mathur has started this Magna Carta series for Indian polity for UPSC CSE free of cost. These are free lectures and this is for your prelims examination, and Indian polity will be delivered very concisely in a very strategic and conceptual manner by Atish Mathur sir for prelims preparation. Magna Carta was arguably one of the first documents of the world recognizing the rule of law and the rights of people. So you can watch this series by Unacademy's top educator Atish Mathur entirely free for strengthening your preparation, especially the Indian polity part. So what you have to do is download the Unacademy's learning app, register yourself, then click on the video link which is given in the description box below this video, and you can access all these classes free of cost by Mr. Atish Mathur. Unacademy learning app डाउनलोड करके उसमें अपने आप को रजिस्टर करके फिर जो मैंने लिंक दिया है डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मैग्ना कार्टा सीरीज का उस पर क्लिक करेंगे तो आप ये 13 के 13 लेक्चर्स फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट देख सकते हैं. ठीक है, लेट्स स्टार्ट द सेशन नाउ. सेशन शुरू करते हैं. द फर्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक, पहला टॉपिक आप देख रहे होंगे स्क्रीन पर. कैबिनेट अप्रूव साइनिंग द मेमोरेंडम ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट इज the MOU between India and Spain to develop scientific and technical collaborations in astronomy. First of all, let me tell you what is astronomy. There are many students who do not know a word about astronomy. कुछ बहुत ऐसे बच्चे भी होते हैं जिनको astronomy का meaning नहीं पता होता. Right? So you can write it down. आप लिख सकते हो that astronomy, it is a natural science. It is a natural science that studies celestial objects, heavenly bodies, celestial objects or planetary movements and phenomena. It uses mathematics also, it uses physics also and chemistry also in order to explain their origin and evolution. Right? That is astronomy. उसको हम astronomy बोलते हैं. ठीक है? So the astronomy is the study of everything in the universe beyond Earth's atmosphere. That is the sun, the moon, the planets and the stars. Earth के atmosphere से परे जो कुछ भी है उसकी study को, universe में उस सब चीजों की study को हम astronomy बोलते हैं. ठीक है? And astronomy has different branches. For example, astrobiology, astrophysics, right? These are the different branches which belong to astronomy. So Union Cabinet which was chaired by Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, was apprised of signing of a memorandum of understanding between Indian Institute of Astrophysics, which is in Bangalore, and Instituto de Astrofísica de Canarias, which is in Spain, to develop scientific and technical collaborations in the astronomical field. This is related to GSM2. Right? India and Spain's collaboration in the field of astronomy. India or Spain in MOUs and agreements or memorandum of understandings or collaboration से अपने रिश्ते को और strong करेंगे. On a you can say spiritual level, on a cultural level, on economic level, social level, astronomical level, we are trying to build up relations with the countries. And with Spain, we are strengthening our relations in the field of astrophysics. Right? तो अलग-अलग countries से हम अलग-अलग लेवल पे अपने रिलेशंस को स्ट्रॉन्ग करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल श्रीलंका के साथ, बांग्लादेश के साथ हमारे कल्चरल रिलेशंस बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है. राइट? नेपाल और भूटान के साथ हमारे कल्चरल रिलेशंस, स्पेशली विद नेपाल, आवर कल्चरल रिलेशंस आर वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. राइट? So we are using these parameters to build strong relations with the countries, with other countries. So with Spain, we are strengthening our relations on the parameters of astrophysics. That is why we have collaborated together. And the activities which are to be carried out under this MOU will lead to new scientific results, because they are studying the everything beyond the atmosphere of Earth, right? So new scientific results together, they will be collaborating on that. New technologies, capacity building through increased scientific interaction, training, and joint scientific projects. We are going to start training programs, conferences, seminars, right? We are going to open up to the qualified scientists, students from both the sides, technologists. They will be collaborating with each other. We're going to develop our astrophysics sector, right? So ये आपकी पहली न्यूज हो गई. Now the second important current affair is cabinet approved signing of MOU between India and UK on cooperation in the field of telecommunication and ICTs. So over here another MOU has been signed between India and UK. पहले तो हमने स्पेन के साथ साइन किया है आज एक MOU, और एक UK के साथ किया है on the cooperation in the field of telecommunication. So Prime Minister has given his approval for signing a particular MOU between Ministry of Communication of Republic of India and Department of Digital Culture and Media and Sports of UK. On which field this cooperation has been made? In the field of telecommunication and information and communication technologies. So both the parties are going to cooperate in the future in the area of spectrum management, wireless communication, security of communication, right? Now here what is important to note is we are also going to cooperate with each other in the field of 5G technology and Internet of Things. So in the year 2018 in prelims 2020 in prelims question paper, prelims के question paper में 2018 में question आया था Internet of Things के बारे में, right? So here what you have to study today is, your homework is, you have to study what is Internet of Things. ये आपका homework है आज का. Secondly, you have to study what is machine to machine. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing क्या होता है? Machine to machine क्या होता है? Internet of Things क्या होता है? And what is big data? You have to find out the meaning of these terms and you have to make notes. ये आज का आपका homework है. ठीक है? This is your homework for today. Little bit effort you also have to make while making notes. So in these areas, India and UK are going to cooperate with each other. You need to know what are these Internet of Things, machine to machine, cloud computing, big data. ये होता क्या है कि आपको पता होना चाहिए. So we are going to build capacity in high technology areas, India and UK. We are going to collaborate and share information on R&D, right, on emerging technologies and innovation wherever it is appropriate. And we are also going to explore opportunities for joint work in signatory countries and third countries on telecommunication as well, right? Now the next important news, we have also signed another MOU with UK on the cooperation in the field of medical products regulation. मेडिकल प्रोडक्ट्स रेगुलेशन के फील्ड में भी हमने यूके के साथ आज एक मेमोरेंडम ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग साइन किया है, एक अग्रीमेंट साइन किया है. नाउ यू मस्ट बी वंडरिंग दैट व्हाट इज मेमोरेंडम ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग. सो एमओयू की जब हम बात करते हैं ये होता क्या है? इट इज अ टाइप ऑफ अग्रीमेंट. प्लीज राइट इट डाउन, इसको प्लीज लिख लीजिए. इट इज अ टाइप ऑफ अग्रीमेंट बिटवीन टू और मोर पार्टीज. दो या उससे ज्यादा पार्टीज के बीच में एक अग्रीमेंट साइन होता है जिसको हम एमओयू बोलते हैं. इट एक्सप्रेसेस अ कन्वर्जेंस ऑफ विल बिटवीन द पार्टीज इंडिकेटिंग एन इंटेंडेड कॉमन लाइन ऑफ एक्शन. इट बेसिकली द पर्पस ऑफ एमओयू इज टू एक्सप्रेस दैट बोथ द कंट्रीज आर कमिटेड टू fulfill their promise. जिस पर्टिकुलर पर्पस के लिए उन्होंने ये अग्रीमेंट साइन किया है उनका कमिटमेंट एमओयू दिखाता है कि हम कमिटेड है, हम अपने वादे को निभाना चाहते हैं. वो एमओयू कहलाता है. दैट इज नोन एज एमओयू. ओके, सो यूनियन कैबिनेट चेयर्ड बाय प्राइम मिनिस्टर श्री नरेंद्र मोदी हैज गिवन इट्स अप्रूवल फॉर साइनिंग अ एमओयू बिटवीन सेंट्रल ड्रग स्टैंडर्ड कंट्रोल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ इंडिया and United Kingdom Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency of UK in the field of medical product regulation. We are going to exchange the safety information, information, including the pharmacovigilance, where there is particular safety concern related to other party. Then related to medical devices and medicines, all the safety concerns we are going to share it. We are going to participate in scientific and practical conferences. कोई seminars होंगे medical devices या medicines के ऊपर, हम उसको भी दोनों UK और इंडिया के साइड से हम अटेंड करेंगे, right? If there is any capacity building, we are mutually going to agree in those areas. We are going to coordinate at the international platform also. We are going to indulge in information exchange to support each other in the field of medical line, right? So these are the points that we have agreed on in this memorandum of agreement, ठीक है, और memorandum of understanding you can say. इतनी बात समझ आ गई सबको? Now the next important topic is that the cabinet has approved the memorandum of understanding between India and Israel on cooperation in the field of health and medicine. One memorandum of understanding we have signed with UK, another we have signed with Israel. So with Israel also we are going to build up strong relations in the field of health. So Union Cabinet has approved signing of MOU between India and Israel on cooperation in the field of health and medicine. देखो, जब भी इंडिया इजराइल, इंडिया स्पेन, इंडिया यूके के रिलेशन से रिलेटेड कोई क्वेश्चन आता है तो आप ये MOUs भी मेंशन कर सकते हो, ये दिखाने के लिए कि हम रिलेशन बिल्डअप कर रहे हैं, राइट? टू शो दैट इंडिया इज रेडी टू बिल्ड अप रिलेशंस विद दीज कंट्रीज. If question comes on relation between India, Israel, India, UK, India, Spain, you can mention these MOUs. तो ये आपके मेंस आंसर राइटिंग के लिए important है, right? For your main answer writing. This MOU covers the following areas of cooperation: exchange and training of medical doctors and other health professionals, assistance in development of human resource and setting up healthcare facilities. Assistance means help. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? एक दूसरे को help करना. Exchange of information regarding regulation and pharmaceutical, medical device and cosmetics. Sharing expertise. Sharing of expertise for facilitating climate resilient infrastructure. Development of green healthcare. What is green healthcare? This is important for prelims, right? Green healthcare means climate resilient hospitals. Promote mutual research in various relevant areas. Any other area of cooperation as may be mutually decided upon. So on these areas we are going to cooperate with each other, India and Israel. Okay. The next important topic is related to Pinaka rocket system that we have covered in the last PIB and the Hindu newspaper also. हमने newspaper में भी इसको cover किया था और last PIB में इसको cover किया था. So enhanced Pinaka rocket which is developed by DRDO, underline this, ये point important है आपके prelims के लिए. Who has developed the Pinaka rocket? DRDO. It has been successfully flight tested from integrated test range Chandipur off the coast of Odisha. Again important for prelims. Where is Chandipur? Question came in 2017. It is in Odisha. So development of enhanced Pinaka system was taken up to achieve longer range performance compared to earlier design which had a reduced length. The design and development has been carried out by Pune-based DRDO Labs, which is named as Armament Research and Development Establishment. A total of 6 rockets were launched in quick succession and the test met complete mission objectives. So it has been successfully flight tested. You have to remember who has developed it and you have to remember where it was launched. So this was all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's session. I hope आपको आज का session अच्छा लगा हो. If you really enjoyed it, do not forget to like and share and subscribe the channel. Also do complete your homework for today. ये आज आपका homework है, इसको जरूर complete कीजिएगा. ठीक है? Thank you.